Thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's house. Thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's house. Exodus 20:17. Thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's wife, nor thy manservant, nor his maidservant, nor his ox, nor his ass, nor anything that is thy neighbor's. And all the people saw the thunderings and the lightnings and the noise of the trumpet and the mountain smoking. And when the people saw it, they were moved and stood afar off. I made Jordan enjoy Thunderstruck while she wanted me to drive into the Quizno parking lot. I know what Quizno is. Tara and the Sapphire with the rapist earrings. It was scared, as it should be. And you shouldn't let it have gone this far.